Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Outlook inbox is getting full and you want to keep it clean without deleting your important emails, in that situation archiving is the perfect solution. So here is how you can archive your emails in Outlook step by step. First of all, you need to open your Outlook application in your desktop, or you can even come on outlook.live.com and then log in into your account. Now, once you are in your mailbox, you will have to click on the inbox section, and here you will see all of your emails. Now you need to select that particular email or a list of emails which you want to add into your archive folder. So once you select the email, you will see this archive option in the top, and once you hover over to this option, it will say that you can move this message to your archive folder. So yes, this is what we want to do it. So click on the archive option, and now your email is in this archive section. So as you can see, this email is in the archive folder. So this is how you can basically archive your emails, and you can get access to all of your archive emails from this folder. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.